Okay, talking about three-dimensional figures. First term we're going to look at is a cross section. This is the intersection, you can read that, of a solid and a plane. Okay, a net is a pattern for a three-dimensional solid. We'll look at that in a few minutes. A solid with a flat surface that closes a solid with all flat surfaces that enclose a single region of space is called a polyhedra. Now, notice flat is the key word there. Some examples of polyhedrons are prisms and pyramids. They are polyhedrons because they have all flat surfaces. Not polyhedrons, these examples would be cylinders. The curves are what makes them not polyhedrons. Cones and a sphere. Parts of a three-dimensional figure, we have that arrow is pointing to an edge. It's a line segment. This arrow is pointing to a face. It's a plane. And this arrow is pointing to a vertex. It is a point. Okay, that's how you differentiate between them. Looking at these examples, this right here, is that a polyhedron? No, it is not, because it has curved sides to it. They are not all flat surfaces. Is this a polyhedron? Yes, it is. A prism is a polyhedron. Name each solid given the net. Notice this one has two bases. Since it has two bases, it's either a cylinder or a prism. Now, it is not a circle, so it's not a cylinder, so it's a prism. Now, we name the prism based on the shape of the base. That's a pentagon, so that's a pentagonal prism. This one, notice, and also on this prism, notice all the faces or lateral faces are rectangles. The lateral faces of a pyramid are going to be all triangles, and you'll notice that's what we have right here. It has one base, which this looks like a square, so we would call it a square pyramid. Now here we have a curve. It has a circle as a base, only one base. This is a cone.